the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 8 from verse 1 to verse 3. Some woman will support Jesus. After that, Jesus traveled from town to town and district to district and preached the good news about God's kingdom. All them time there, the 12 did a go around with him. Some woman where Jesus did run demon out of, and where did sick and he make get better, did a go around with him too. Them are Mary, the one where they call Magdalene, Jesus did run 7 demon out of her. Joanna, Cusa's wife, Cusa did in charge. All of this in them will belong to Herod. Susanna, plus enough other woman. All them woman here did I use whatever them have to help support Jesus and his special follower them. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.